Welcome to the German Masterclass. Today we will talk about the German alphabet and how to spell. So in German we say das Alphabet und buchstabieren. Buchstabieren. I would like to start just by going through the alphabet step by step, and then we will do an exercise where we practice the pronunciation. Let's start with A. A. Apfel. Machen. B. Bin. Oben. C. Cäsar. Kaffee. D. Du. Boden. E. Er. Leben. F. Fragen. Treffen. G. Gehen. Sagen. H. Haben. Haus. I. In. Bin. J. Ja. Jetzt. K. Katze. Kommen. L. Land. Telefon. M. Machen. Name. N. Nicht. Lernen. O. Oben. Wo. P. Paris. Ampel. Q. Quelle. R. Wort. Rot. S. Sonne. Lesen. T. Tisch. Garten. U. Und. Lustig. V. Vater. 4. W. Wir. Wer. X. Taxi. Y. Asyl. Baby. Z. Zeit. Arzt. Or A Umlaut. Träne. Ärger. Ö. O Umlaut. Österreich. Böse. Ü. U Umlaut. 5. Üben. And the last one, SZ or scharfes S in Fuß. After we practiced the German alphabet, I would like to do a little exercise with the German vowels and how we pronounce them. I listed the German vowels here, and we will just focus here on the pronunciation of the different words, because sometimes the vowels are stressed and sometimes they aren't. Let's have a look at these examples. Stadt, Staat. Stadt, Staat. Stellen, stehlen. Stellen, stehlen. Mitte, Miete. Mitte, Miete. Offen, Ofen. Offen, Ofen. rum, Ruhm, rum, Ruhm, käme, 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 Hölle, Höhle, Hölle, Höhle, füllen, fühlen, füllen, fühlen. Now I have another slide where you can practice this by yourself. I put different family members here on this slide and try to pronounce these words correctly. Give yourself a minute and then you can pause the video and then we will go on from here. Let's do it together. Schwester, Cousine, Schwester, Cousine, Mutter, Ehemann, Mutter, Ehemann, Onkel, Schwägerin, Onkel, Schwägerin, Nichte, Bruder, Nichte, Bruder, Tante, Oma, Tante, Oma, Eltern, Vater, Eltern, Vater, Mütter, Söhne, Mütter, Söhne, Töchter, Brüder, Töchter, Brüder. I hope this lesson helped you to spell the German nouns correctly. At the end, here's one more tip. If you want to practice the pronunciation, you could, for example, spell your name or the street that you live in, and basically any other word that you want to practice. I hope this lesson helped you to understand how to pronounce the German alphabet. If you like this tutorial and you would like to learn more German with experienced teachers and easy to understand lessons with a high conversational approach, visit our Facebook page or contact us by email. You can find the links and the contact information in the video description below.